Nano Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So here our first question, write the following rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which are non-terminating repeating decimals. So what is meant by terminating? So terminating means the remainder will be equal to 0. That is, remainder is 0. And which are non-terminating? So non-terminating means non-terminating is remainder is not equal to 0. So that is the case, terminating, non-terminating. And repeating means which will going to repeat the decimal value. So repeating. So you can say like this. Repeating decimal means what you can say, let's going to take 0.123 and 2323 like that. It will going to repeat. So this one we can show in the format of only how many numbers are repeating. For that only we will keep it 1 bar. 0.123 bar. So this is the way repeating decimals. So what you can say here is terminating means this is rational number. You can say rational number. And non-terminating and one is repeating. If both conditions is satisfied, non-terminating and repeating means this is also rational number. Rational. You can say like that. Or you can say one more condition. Which one will be rational and irrational? So irrational means it is non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating is called irrational number. What you can call irrational number? It may be anything. So it may be non-repeating, terminating, non-terminating, that is rational. It may be anything. Any one will be non, remaining will be okay. But here non-terminating, non-repeating, both are, if it is like that means that is irrational. So now we will move on our first question, that is 3 by 8. So we have to take normal division and convert that 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 first one. So we are going to do division, that 3 with the 8. So is that possible to go? No. Let's keep it 1 0. Here also 1 0. Then put point. Then what you can say? 8 3s are 24. Next one. So here what we will get? 6 we will get. Already 0 point we kept b. For that we need to take 60. Then 8 7s are 56. Then what will be? 4. Already 50. Then what is this? 8 5s are 40. Yes, here remainder is equal to 0. Then what you can say? So therefore here remainder is equals to 0. Then for this you can say r will be equal to 0. That is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So what we are getting here is 3 by 8 will be equal to 0.375. So this is terminating, and also you can say here this is rational number. Next one. What is our next one here is 400. Second one. 229 by 400. So 400 is divided with 229. Is that possible? No, for that we need to keep 0 point here 0. Then how many times it will go? So this one will go 2290 is there. So for that we need to take 5 times. That is 400 into 5. What we will get? 2000. So 5 times 2000s. Then what we will get? 290. Then 2900 we will get. Then how many times? 7s are. So we will get 7s are. 400 into 7. What is that? 2800. Then what we will get? 100. Then 100 after what we will get? Here 10 we will get. Then 2s are. 400 2s are 800. Then what we will get? 200 2000. Then 5s are. As usual we know that. So 2000 remainder is 0. So 400 5s are 2000, remainder is 0. For this what you can say here is, so remainder is equals to 0, r will be equal to 0. That means it is terminating decimal. It is terminating decimal. Then what you can say? This is 229 by 400. We are getting that 0.5725. So this is our answer. Let's move on to the third one. The third one is they are given in a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into What is that? Improper fraction. So 4 1 by 5. We'll get 4 into 5 plus 1 by 5. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 by 5. This is 21 by 5. We will getting the improper fraction. So let's going to do this division. So let's do all this. That is 21 divided with 5. Then what we will get? 5 4s are 20. Then 1 will be. Then put point here. Then keep it 0 here. Then 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 0. Then what you can say here is remainder is equal to 0. Then it is obviously it is a terminating decimal. You can write it since remainder is therefore r will be equal to 0. It is terminating decimal. So terminating decimal, that will be equal to 21 by 5, that is 4 1 by 5 will be equal to 4.2. This is our answer. Let's move on to fourth one. The fourth one is 2 by 11. So 2 by 11 will be, what you can write it here, 11 with 2. Here put 0 and here 0, here 0 point. So why because why we are taking 20 here? So it is not, 2 is not divisible by 11. For that it is we are taking. So 1 the 11 means what we will get? 9 we will get. Again 90. Here point is there. Then 8. What you will get? 88. Then again 2 will come. 0. Then again 1. 11 by 9. Again 0 will come. 8. Then again 88. Again 2. 0. Then 1s are 11. So we are repeating the decimals. So we are repeating the decimal. So 90 means what we will get? 88. So here 88, again remainder is 2. So for this it will going to repeat the decimal, that is 0 point, what we are taking here as, so 0.181818, like that it is repeating. So for this what you can say here is, this is non-terminating repeating decimal. Let's take this is continuously going, that is 2 by 11 will be equal to 0.181818 and so on. We can take it 0.18 bar 2 by 11. Therefore r is equals to 2. So r is equals to 2, that means r is not equal to 0. That means it is not terminating. So it is non-terminating and repeating decimal, and it is repeating decimal. For that what you can say here is, repeating decimal means, is that rational number or not? Yes, it is rational number. So it is rational. Why? Because it is repeating but non-terminating. Either one should be non or both should be non-terminating, means it is irrational. So for this we can say it is rational number, rational decimal or rational number. You can say rational number. So this is the way. This is the way to find. This is fourth one. Next, our fifth one, what we have, what is there is 8 by 125. So 8 by 125 means, let's going to write 8 by 125. So this is fifth one. So with the 125 we have to do divide with. So keep it 0 point here 0. So 8 is not divisible. Again we have to keep it 1 0. So then it is 800. Then what is that? How many times? 125 into 6. Let's do all that. So 750. So 750 are 0, then 550, then 50 we will get. Here already point we have taken 500. Then how many times? 125 2s are, what is that? It is 250, 252. So 4 times we will take. So what we will get? 0. So what is this? 500. This is r will be equal to 0. The remainder will be equal to 0. Therefore r will be equal to 0. We can say terminating. So it is terminating decimal. And what is that? We can say it is rational number. Obviously it is rational number. Why? Because it is terminating. Either one should be, either it is repeating or not terminating, rational. Either it is repeating means we will not get terminating. So terminating means rational number. Repeating means rational number. If it is a non-terminating, non-repeating, then only it is a rational number. So terminating decimal, then what you can say, 8 by 125, that will be equal to 0.064, and what you can say it is that, so what you can say, this is rational number. So rational number. So like this we have to find it and do the division. Without division also we can do. We'll see that case in our next classes. Thanks for watching. please subscribe and please try to share with your friends and family members. Already we have covered all the chapters from 6th to 10th class. Try to share with your friends.